Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Resmed mask medium is probably one of the most critical pieces of equipment for anyone relying on CPAP therapy, and choosing the right size and fit can make all the difference in achieving comfortable and effective treatment. This particular medium-sized mask is designed to offer a balance of seal and comfort for a wide range of users, aiming to minimize leaks and pressure points that can disrupt sleep. We'll be diving deep into its features, performance, and overall user experience to help you determine if it's the perfect match for your nightly routine and to ensure you're getting the most out of your CPAP therapy. Number 5. Resmed AirFit F20 Cushion Replacement. This is a replacement cushion specifically designed for the Resmed AirFit F20 full-face CPAP mask. It's an essential accessory for your sleep apnea therapy. Experience a secure and comfortable fit with this cushioned mask. It's designed to adapt to various facial profiles for enhanced comfort. Crafted from heavy-duty silicone, this cushion is built for extended use. For optimal performance, it's recommended to replace it bi-weekly. Featuring the Infinity Seal design, it ensures a reliable seal throughout your therapy session. This is crucial for effective sleep apnea treatment. Resmed is dedicated to helping millions manage sleep apnea and other respiratory conditions. We aim to help you live a better life. What we like. Experience a reliable seal with Infinity Seal technology. This cushion offers a secure, customized fit for various facial profiles. If you're looking for a comfortable and dependable full-face mask cushion replacement, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The mask is comfortable and fits well, even for side sleepers. The headgear is adjustable and provides a secure fit without being too tight. The cushion is soft and creates a good seal, preventing leaks. Number 4. Resmed AirFit P10 Nasal Pillow Cushion. Experience optimal comfort with the Resmed AirFit P10 Nasal Pillow Cushion. This is a replacement part designed for your CPAP therapy. Its nasal pillow design ensures a gentle seal, providing effective sleep apnea treatment. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with this essential component. This is a genuine Resmed replacement cushion, ensuring the quality and performance you expect. It's a premium CPAP supply for your therapy needs. This medium-sized cushion is designed to fit most users comfortably. It's specifically made for the AirFit P10 mask system. Replacing your cushion is simple and quick, helping you maintain the effectiveness of your CPAP mask. Ensure your therapy continues uninterrupted. Please note that this product is for the cushion only. The headgear and frame system are sold separately. What we like. Enjoy a peaceful night's sleep with its lightweight and quiet design. The nasal pillows provide a comfortable and secure fit. If you prefer a minimalist feel and quiet operation, this nasal pillow cushion is ideal for you. What people say. The mask has a comfortable fit and seals well without leaks. The adjustable headgear allows for a customized fit, ensuring comfort throughout the night. The cushion is soft and conforms to the face, reducing pressure points. Number 3. Resmed AirFit F30 Cushion. Introducing the Resmed AirFit F30 Cushion, a replacement cushion for your full-face CPAP mask. Experience comfort and effective therapy with this essential accessory. Its innovative minimal contact design ensures a comfortable fit, reducing pressure points on your face. You'll barely notice it's there, allowing for a more restful night's sleep. This is the medium-sized cushion, designed to provide a secure and personalized seal. Ensure optimal performance by replacing your cushion regularly. Upgrade your CPAP experience with this high-quality replacement cushion. It's designed for durability and consistent performance, helping you breathe easier. Trust in the quality of a genuine Resmed accessory. This cushion is specifically engineered to work seamlessly with your AirFit F30 mask for reliable therapy. What we like. Discover comfort with its minimal contact, under-the-nose design. It ensures a secure seal without feeling intrusive. If you're seeking a less claustrophobic full-face mask experience, this cushion is a great option. What people say. The mask is comfortable and fits well. The headgear is adjustable and provides a secure fit. The cushion is soft and seals effectively, preventing leaks. Number 2. Resmed AirFit F10 Headgear Replacement. Experience a relaxed and secure fit with our replacement headgear. It's designed to provide stability and comfort throughout your sleep apnea therapy. Crafted from high-quality nylon, lycra, and foam, this headgear is both lightweight and durable. Enjoy lasting comfort and reliability. This is a dedicated replacement headgear specifically for the AirFit F10 CPAP mask. Please note, it includes the headgear strap only. Enjoy effortless fitting and quick removal with this replacement part. It's also designed for convenient cleaning, making maintenance simple. Join millions who trust Resmed to help manage sleep apnea and related conditions. Live better with our innovative sleep solutions. What we like. Achieve a relaxed and secure fit with this adjustable headgear. Made from comfortable, durable materials, it provides excellent stability. If you need a replacement headgear that offers both comfort and a reliable fit for your F10 mask, this is the one. What people say. The mask is comfortable and provides a good seal. The adjustable headgear ensures a secure fit. The mask is lightweight and does not feel bulky. Number 1. Resmed Quattro AirFit F10 Cushion Replacement. This is a replacement cushion specifically designed for your Resmed Quattro Air and AirFit F10 CPAP masks. Ensure a comfortable and effective seal for your therapy. This medium-sized cushion is engineered for optimal fit and performance. It's the perfect component to restore your mask's functionality. Experience the quality of premium CPAP supplies with this genuine replacement part. It's made to meet the high standards you expect for your sleep apnea treatment. Please note that this purchase is for the cushion only. The headgear and frame system are sold separately. Don't let a worn-out cushion disrupt your sleep therapy. Replace it with this cushion to regain the comfort and effectiveness of your mask. Replacing your cushion is a simple process that can be done at home. Keep your mask in top condition with minimal effort. What we like. This mask offers a lightweight feel and a comfortable seal for effective therapy. Its design prioritizes ease of use and comfort. If you're looking for a user-friendly and comfortable full-face mask option, consider this model. What people say. The mask is comfortable and fits well, even for side sleepers. The headgear is adjustable and easy to put on and take off. The cushion is soft and creates a good seal without leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.